Hanging on to the same old wallet every single day? Let's fix that. I'll guide you through a simple refresh that'll bring it back to life. What makes it work? Small tweaks that usually slip under the radar. Thinking about how a memecoin could flip your setup in a good way? Let me show you exactly what I did. But fair warning, these windows of opportunity close fast. I'm going to be honest. Pump fun isn't what it used to be. It's flooded with weak projects, and launching something decent there is a real grind. The early crowd already made their money and bounced. Now it's mostly newcomers who don't realize what's up. If you're paying attention, it might be smart to back out before it really tanks. Every day looks the same, just waves of cookie-cutter meme coins flooding in. So the key question is this: what makes your coin any different from all the others out there? Done with the fluff? Then pivot toward Raydium. It's where all the real value is right now. Pump fun is fading into the background. Ignore the distractions and focus on where the actual momentum is. And yeah, those red numbers staring at you? That's your green light. I've got a full plan prepped so you can move with precision when the time's right. Without all the noise from 1,000 other coins, your project finally gets a shot to shine. The price movement? It's on another level. But don't forget, if you're not comfortable with coding, things might get tricky fast. Don't sweat it, because Bitlix Sol has made launching on Raydium so beginner-friendly you won't need to touch a line of code. A few quick steps and you're in the game. The old tech-heavy processes? Completely outdated. First things first, let's make your token look unforgettable. Fire up Imgur. Log in into account and we're off. Search for a funny meme animal or anything that speaks to you. Here's the thing. I chose this picture of Tim Cheese. Tidy it up, download it, and now your coin's got a look that really pops. Let's set everything up in Bitlix Sol. Start by linking your Phantom wallet. It's a super quick step. Next, pick a name for your token. I'm calling mine Tim Cheese with Timch as a symbol. Add a cool description if you're feeling it, or just keep it simple. Upload your logo. Tap Next, and you're ready to launch. Now, let's get into tokenomics. This setup is showing up in winning projects everywhere. The numbers you're seeing aren't random. They're based on what works in today's market. 1 billion tokens? That's a sweet spot that's been proven time and again. Hit Next so we can continue building. This part is all about showing that your project is solid. You'll come across 3 settings. Honestly, it's best to leave them as they are. Turning on Freeze will make people worry about their assets being locked. With Mint enabled, you're allowing unlimited tokens, which kills trust right away. And if Update is still open, it's going to make people question everything. Keep things as they are and hit Launch My Token Now. You'll get a confirmation request from your wallet. Hit Confirm, and you're all set. There will be a lot of transaction, but basically, this is all the small fee of Solana developers and website developer. It will cost around 0.6 Solana, and this is nothing beside how much we get from it. Your token is now live and secure. This is a major milestone. Take a second to enjoy the achievement. It's official now. Just open SolScan by clicking the final option in Bitlix Sol. Your contract's now live and visible on the blockchain. There's no turning back. It's locked in. Next, we'll add the base token. Grab your token address from Bitlix Sol or SolScan. I'm pulling mine from Bitlix Sol's first tab. Paste it in. Then enter your token symbol and full name. I'm using Timch and Tim Cheese. Then click Add User Token. Select it from the list and your full 1 billion token supply will show up right away. Now let's fund the pool. Enter 900 million tokens to begin with. For the quote token, you'll be using SOL, so make sure it's in your wallet. I recommend selecting a range between 0.8 and 2 SOL, but make sure you set aside at least 0.2 SOL for fees. You'll need it. Finally, set a 2% fee tier to keep everything clean and efficient. The fee tier is yours to decide. 2% works best for me, but if you want to reduce fees, set it to 0.5%. Your strategy will dictate what works best, so feel free to test it out. After that, click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Phantom will ask for confirmation, so click Confirm, and your token is officially live on the blockchain. Take a second to head to Photon. Don't forget to activate the Raydium filter. This will let you find your token quickly without sorting through a bunch of listings. And just so you're aware, your launch has definitely caught some attention. There are traders already tracking your every step. Welcome to the limelight. Let's track our token. Copy the address from Bitlik Sol or SolScan. Then head over to Deck Screener, pull up any chart, and replace the address with your tokens. Now you'll see your tokens chart live. Don't be alarmed if you spot some bot trades at the start. That's pretty normal. Watch for the moment it begins gaining traction. That's when the real people will start showing up. So let's wait a little. After 4 minutes, we got our first buy. It was for around $50. It's around 0.3 Solana. I am not satisfied with this amount of money, so I wait more. Let's give it 5 more minutes. And again, we got another buyer. I want to be greedy and wait more, so let's wait for more. It was only $43, which is not bad. And again, after 5 more minutes, buy for $46, it's cool. But give it a try and wait more. Because I am really greedy, I want to make this video sweat so you guys can start printing like me. This was worth it. Finally big buy for $127. I think it's time. If you're satisfied with profit, you need to make actions. Because right now, I am satisfied. So we go straight to Raydium and connect our wallet. Then press Standard button. And then press on the minus. Slide it all the way to the end so it shows 100% of the tokens. And then for educational purposes,